So this is the annual exam revision worksheet. So grade 6. So first question. The side of the square is 23 centimeter. If each side is increased by W centimeter, what is the perimeter of the new square? So it's just a square. So we have to find the perimeter of the square with each side is 23 centimeter. Then second condition, if the each side increased by W centimeter, then what is the perimeter? We will see. So this is a sample square. We can write 23 centimeter of this side, 23 centimeter. So if it is a one side is 23 centimeter, then all the sides are 23 centimeter. On the fourth side also 23 centimeter. Now what's the perimeter formula for the square? Perimeter. Perimeter of the square is A plus A plus A plus A, or simple we can say that 4 into A. So A is 23 centimeter, so 4 into 23. So 23, 4, so equal to 92 centimeter. So for the square. Now the second condition is, if we are going to increase the side by W centimeter. So if we are increasing the W centimeter, mean that each and every side has to increase 23 centimeter. So then the new, after increasing side plus W, the new perimeter is four into 23 plus W. So easily you can write with the distributive. This is look like the distributive property. So 4 into 23 plus 4 into W. So 4 into 23 we already have. 4 into 23 we already have it. So 92 plus 4W. This is the new perimeter. So we can write the centimeter. So this is the new perimeter of the square. Question 2. Find the ratio of 40 minutes to 280 seconds in the simplest form. So we have to find the ratio between two value, but one value is in a minute, another value is 280 seconds. So here we have to convert. This 40 minutes to 280 seconds. Then only it become equal ratio. So we can do it. So first need to convert both values to the same unit of the time. Same unit mean that either second or either minute. So first to convert 40 minutes to seconds. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Then 40 minutes equal to 40 into 60 seconds. So equal to 2400 seconds. Now we have to get the ratio. So 40 minutes by 280 seconds is become 2400 seconds by 280 seconds. So to simplify the ratio, we can divide the both numerator and denominator by the same value. So then only it cannot change or it cannot interpret the value. So 2400 by 280, 280 by 280. So then 280 by 280 we know that is 1. So 2400 by 280 is become 8. So the new ratio. So the ratio of the 40 minutes to 280 seconds, it become 8:1. This is the answer. And the third question, Khushi's father bought a new TV. She observed that it is 70 centimeter long and 30 centimeter wide. She want to calculate the area of the screen. Can you help her? So we can draw a picture. So from this we can easily solve. So as per the question, the given data is the TV long is 70 centimeter long and wide is 30 centimeter. So just seeing this one, we can observe that this is nothing but a square rectangle. So it's a normal rectangle. It's look like a normal rectangle. So we have to find the area of the rectangle. So area is nothing but L into B. So area is equal to L into B. Length and the width. So length is 70 into 30 is become 2100. That's the answer. And the fourth question, 3 balls ring at the interval of 8, 15 and 16 seconds respectively. At what time will they ring together? So please note, will ring together if they start ringing at 10 a.m. So this is the question. To find out the answer of this question, we have to find the LCM of these three values 8, 15 and 16. Then we can get the solution. So to find the LCM, we can do this method. First I am going to take 2. I am going to divide by 2. 4 2s are 8. So 15 cannot be divided by 2. So I am going to retain as 15. So now I am going to use the 16 by 2 is 8. Further I have to use another prime number, 2 same number. So 2 2s are 4, 15 and 4. Further also I am going to use 2, 1, 15, comma 2. Now I am going to divide with the help of 5 or 3. So 1 cannot be used. 1 cannot be, so 1 can be retained. So 3 and 2. Okay, now we can write 2 into 2 into 2 and further another 2 is there, 2 and 3 into 5. So 2 power 4 into 3 into 5. So equal to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16 into 3 into 5. So 48 into 5. 16 into 3, 48. So 48 into 5. 48 into 5, 4, 240. So the answer is 240 second. Now you have to convert 240 second to minute. To do that, we can divide 240 by 60. So you can cancel this one. And cancel this one as 4. So 4 minute. Now the bell start ringing at 10 a.m. So bell ring at 10 a.m. We have to add the two values 10 a.m. plus 4 minute. So this can be add like that. 10 a.m. is nothing but this is the 10 a.m. 00 minute, and the minute is 4 minutes is like this one. So we can add 10.04. So hence the three bills ring together after 10. Therefore the three bells ring together after 8. That's all. So next question number 5. A merchant has 120 liters of a merchant has 120 liters and 180 liters of two kind of oil. He want to sell the oil by filling the two kind of oil in tins of equal volumes. What is the greatest of it? What is the greatest of such a tin? So what is the greatest mean that? You please note this word greatest. To find the solution, we have to find the GCD, greatest common divisor, or HCF, highest common factor. So the given data is 120 liters and 180 liters. So GCD of HCF, we have to find the GCD of HCF. So how to find it? With the help of the prime factorization method. So with the help of prime factorization method. So prime factor method. So first I am going to take 120. So 120 is nothing but 2 power 3 into 3 into 5. How? So 120 2 times 60 2 30 2 15 and 3 into 5. So it has become 2 power 3 into 3 into 5. So this is written here 120. For 180, so for 180, 3 and again 3 now 2 again 2 5. So this can be written as 3 power 2 into 2 power 2 into 5 power 1. So this is written here. So here we in the prime factorization method, so we have to take the lowest power of each common prime number. So here the prime numbers are 2 power 3 and 2 power 2. So this is the lowest one, and 3 power 2. So this is the lowest one. 5 power 1 5 power, so equal. So we can take 2 power 2 3 into 5. So 2 power 2 is 4, 3 power 1 is 3, 5 power 1 is 5. So 4 into 3 12 into 5 60. So the GCD is 16. So the greatest volume of the tin that the merchant can use is 60 liters. 60 liters. Now the sixth question number 6. The state of Michigan. The state of Michigan recorded an all-time high snowfall of 355.9 inches during the winter of 1978 and 79. Its lowest snowfall of 81.3 inches was recorded during the winter of 1930 to 31. How much more snowfall did Michigan receive during the winter of 1978 to 79 than 1930 to 31? Is just like the comparison. To get the comparison, we have to first get the difference between the two periods ice fall. So or snowfall, then only we can get the data. So first we have to get the comparison with the help of the subtract the snowfall of 1930 to 31 from snowfall of 1978 to 79. So this is the snowfall of 19. This is the snowfall of of 1930 to 31, and the same thing snowfall of 1978 to 79. Shall I check it? Okay. Now we have to subtract from this one to this one. So easily that. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 5 by 5 minus 8. So we cannot get direct subtract. So we have to get a digit 10 and it's become 2. It become 2. So 15 minus 8 is 7 and the 2 is become here. 274.6 inches are the difference. So this is the inches of difference. So the Michigan received 274.6 inches more snowfall during the winter of 1978-79 than in 1931. No. Yes, correct. So Michigan received 274.6 inches more snowfall during the winter of 1978 to 79 than in 1930. So this is the solution. The next question, the Cooper family owns a luxury sedan and a compact car. The fuel tank capacity of the luxury sedan is 22.45 gallons and that of the compact car is 8.7 gallons. Find the difference in the fuel tank capacities of the two cars. So imagine that this is a tank capacity of the sedan car and this is the compact car fuel tank capacity. So this is a 22.45 gallon and 8.7 gallon. So capacity differences we can find it by just subtracting the two values. The subtraction of the two values like that. So 22.45 by 8.7. Please note only one thing is, so 8.7 can be written as 8.70 to get the equal number of digits. So now after that we have to subtract 5 minus 0, 5. So 5 minus 0 is 5. So 7 cannot be subtracted from 4 because the small value we have to get there. We have to borrow. I have to borrow. So now after that borrow it become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7 only. Now it become 1. So 8 cannot subtract from 1. Then we have to borrow from here and it become 1. So 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3 and this is the 1. So this is the tank capacity difference. 13.75 gallons. So you can verify our subtraction just by adding this one. Please, this is also a method. So suppose you have your doubt or you want to confirm, you have to confirm this one. So 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 7, 4, 8 plus 3, 7 plus 7, 14, remaining 1 is here. So 8 plus 4, 12, remaining 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So this way also you can get the confirmation. So now the question number 8, Greg travels 3.55 miles to his office on Monday. He takes a detour, and covers a distance of 4.51 miles when returning home. How many miles in all does Greg travel on Monday? So the meaning of this word is a longer route from one place to another place. This is a simple thing. This is for additional information. So now, as per our sum, so he started from home and reached office and traveled the 4.51 kilometer on the Monday. So after that he returned from office to home. So the two-way travel 4.51 to 4.51, 4.51 plus 4.51 kilometer. So this can be written as this method, from home to office 4.51 kilometer and office to home also 4.51 kilometer. So to know the total sum, distance traveled by him is, so we have to sum this one. You have to the addition of this one. So 4.51 plus 4.51, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 5 is 0, 10, remaining is 1. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 1. So 9.02 kilometers total he traveled on the Monday. So ninth question, David distributed 19 by 24 apples in his class and gave 2 by 24 to his friend Richard. What fraction of apples he gave away in all? So the total apple is distributed in the class is 19 by 24. So among that, he gave 2 by 24 apple to his friend Richard. To find how much quantity of apples given to other, give to other. So to get the data, so we can subtract the 2 by 24 from this total apples. So 19 by 24 minus 2 by 24. So because of the denominators are same, we can easily subtract. So 19 minus 2 is 17. So 17 by 24 of apples. So fraction of apples. So he distributed to others other than his friend. Question number 10. Yesterday's science textbook's weight is 2.5 kilograms. His math textbook weight is 1 by 6 kilograms. Determine the weight of both yesterday's textbooks together. So to know the total weight, we have to add the weight of the science book and weight of the maths book. 2.5 of plus 3, 1 by 6 kg. So here the one thing is you have to convert the mixed fraction to fraction. So how you can do it? So 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 by 2. So 4 plus 1 by 2. And 3 into 6, 18 plus 1, 9. So 18 plus 1 by 6. Now it become 5 by 2 plus 19 by 6. Now this cannot be added because the denominator is not same. So to get the common denominator, we can, the common denominator is 6. So this can be get from 2, 6, 1 and 3 times. So 2 into 3 is 6. So by this way you can find the common denominators. This is the common denominator. So after that you have to add, so you have to multiply the common denominator to each value. So this become, you can cancel 3 times, you can cancel directly. So it become 5 into 3 plus 19 into 1. So this is the 19 into 1 whole divided by 6. So 15 plus 19 by 6. Thirty-one by 6. Sorry. $34 by 6. So total weight of this book is 34 by 6. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. So 11th question is very interesting. Stanley ordered two pieces. So Stanley ordered two pizzas cut into eights. So he bought two pizza and each pizza cut into 8 pieces. If he ate 5 by 8, so he ate 5 by 8 of pizza, how much was left? So he ordered the two pizzas. So one pizza, second pizza. So each pizza cutted into 8 pieces, 8 equal pieces, and he ate the in from one pizza he ate 5 pieces. So for example, you can take this one as the, so he ate, so 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 pieces from the 8, so that can be indicated by 5 by 8. The remaining is, so after deducting 5 from 8 is 3 only, and here the 8 pizzas, full pizza, 8 pieces there total there, so balance pizza you can easily say that 11 pieces are available. So this can be done mathematically. So each cutted into 8 pieces, 8 pieces plus 8 pieces, the total number of pieces there is 16. So Stanley ate 5 by 8, so from the 8 pieces he ate 5 pieces. So this can be converted from the this can be converted slices as the 5 by 8 into 8 equal to 5 slices. So because total slices are 8, from this he ate 5, so to convert this one you can multiply this 8, so we can get the 5 slices. So balance pizzas are 16 minus 5. So because the two pizzas, to sum of the two pizzas slices are 16, so 16 minus 5 is 11 slices. So this can be easily calculated with the mathematically also. So next question, draw a perpendicular of line AB. So draw a perpendicular of line AB. So AB is measurement 6 centimeter from the point outside the line. So just you take your scale. So this is the end result of this drawing. So you can do it with the help of, you take the compass and scale. So you have to you have to draw a straight line with the 6 centimeters. Okay. So with the help of the scale. So after that take any point opposite to AB, opposite to AB. From that point, with the help of the compass, you have to cut two portions of AB. Okay, this is the first step. After that, from this portion, from this cutted point, so take the compass, you can draw a, so from this portion you place a compass here. From there you have to make a cut. Like the same way, place the compass, you have to make a cut, and then you have to join. You have to join. So with the help of the scale, you can join this one to this one. So it's become perfectly perpendicular. Perfectly perpendicular. So that's all. That's it. So I'm going to repeat also. So draw a line with 6 centimeter. Place a point opposite to AB. So from there you have to place your compass and you have to draw a arc, or make a cut. Okay. So after that you have to place your compass and make a arc here. Same way you have to make a arc here. So the joining point of the arc you can draw a line. So this become perfectly perpendicular. If it is a perfectly perpendicular, mean that the angle of this one, so this angle is 90 degree. the angle is 90 degree, then only it's perpendicular. Okay, this is the method. The steps are there. Okay, the 15th question, find P if 32 is to P and 4 is to 10. So that this can be easily solved with the help of the formula is that AD equal to BC. So now you have to take this as the A, this is the B, this is the C and D. What's the AD? 32 into 10. So 32 into 10 equal to BC, P into 4. So 32 10 is 320. So 4P. So you want to find the P mean that you have place here. So left hand hands 320. So when you so this 4 can be come to the left hand side. So it's a multiplication. So that time you have to convert the multiplication to division 4. So now P become 80 because this is the 8 times. So 80. So you found the value of P. Now second is 25 is to 35, P is to 7. Same thing, you take A, B, C, D. Okay, AD is equal to BC. AD equal to BC. So now 25 into 7 equal to 35 into P. So what's the 25 into 7? 175. So 175 equal to 35P. To find out the P, you can make the interchange of the values. 35P equal to 175. So P equal to 175 by 35. 35 by 35 into 5. 25 remaining 2. 175. So the result is 5. So this is the method.